What's going on, everybody? I've got my F80 M3 right here, and I'm about to hit the mountain roads, test out these new coilovers, but I figured I would give you guys another POV drive. It is cold up here, so I don't know how it's gonna be, but I am gonna push the car a little bit and see what I am capable of today. Also, by the way, I did add a bunch of new merch to the merch shop, so if you guys could go and support me, I will leave a link in the description. That will help me out so much. Cop? No, not a cop. Like it's moving good, but where I put the coilovers on it and changed the fitment and the alignment and everything, I have some things that I don't understand yet about the car that I'm trying to learn, and I don't know if it's my brakes or my tires. So definitely just gonna have to figure it out. The car is moving really good though. Car is moving really good. All right guys, so I think that that's going to be the end of this video. Hope you like to watch a little bit of driving. I didn't want to do too much. There's just too many people up here right now. I really didn't expect them to still be up here like this, but they are. I don't want to get into an accident with someone coming around a turn in my lane or anything. And like I said, merch is now available at sudform.com. If you guys want to help me out and help the channel out, you can go on to sudform.com and you can buy all kinds of stuff. I've got a lot of dope clothing on there, not just t-shirts and hoodies. I've got a lot of cool stuff on there. If you just go check it out, that would make me happy. But anyways guys, I appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.